Right, the machine is ready. You put all your washing in, make sure it's not heavily overloaded. Keep plenty of space. The setting is at 5, the spin is at 1000 and the temperature is at 40. What you do for our wash is we use Persil sensitive, put it into the mark, make sure you put the top back on, place that in the drum with the washing. Then, because there may be items with stains on, we use Vanish Action for removing stains. You put that in. You then close the door. Then what we do, because we like ours nice and soft, we use very sensitive water fabric conditioner. You pour that into there. Then close the door. Now the machine is ready to turn on. If you'd already had a wash, this part you probably won't need to do. But because it's been idle for a long time, you press the on-off button and the end light comes on. You next press the start button. That flashes to show that it's on pause. You could alter the settings if you wish, but if you're happy with the settings, you then press the start pause button again, and that's the machine working.